In this video, we are going to look at how to buy the payment hub pre-sale for Flipme. As you can see, the Flipme pre-sale is now remaining 5.5 M at this time. That is the first stage of the pre-sale. Recently Ultron released some of the staking hubs with burning. For my own research, Ultron is a great blockchain. So, and for those who understand or really understand. All right, so we are looking at how to buy a pre-sale on Flipme, which is a payment solution built on the Ultron blockchain. So basically, the first thing we'll go to the partner. Flipme is partnering with Mavi Global as the marketing agent for the pre-sale, just like the way Lottoday partner with Mavi and also Ultron blockchain partner with Mavi. So basically, you have to log into your Mavi account in order for you to buy the pre-sale. So there is an app for Mavi. This app here is Mavi app. You can have it if you don't get it. So when you log into your account, the first thing is to go to your home. You will see your home. Then from the home, you go to the three lines top right. These three lines here. You can see here it's showing the only banking and crypto solution you need. Then tap on the three lines here, and here we go. The next point is to go to payment hub. The payment hub, the one in the middle, and tap on the payment hub. Once the payment hub has loaded, you can now make a choice. Life is about choice. Our choices determines today's choices determines our tomorrow. Many have bought shares in many companies and they are now making money while they are sleeping. So opportunity is always a stepping stone to success. So there are many payment hubs here. The biggest one here you can see is 100 million USDT, the Paradise Island. We have the Dream Castle, which is 50,000 USDT. The Crystal Scraper, which is 30,000 USDT. The Plaza Hotel, 12,500 USDT. It's very important to earn in USDT, especially those of us from Nigeria and Africans. You know that USDT is the digital dollar, is the crypto aspect of the fiat currency, and our currency is always devaluated because we are import intensive. Check the exchange rate of dollar to your own local country last 1 year, last 6 months, last 3 months, and today. So if opportunity comes like this where we can earn in dollars and we are sleeping, we are still trying to say it's a scam. So we know that we are scamming ourselves or others are scamming us. It's better one is even scam than one is scamming himself. So that is it. So though it's not a financial advice, but basically this is worth taking. This is worth taking. Then, just as we said earlier, we are going to buy the staking hub. So we just this for purpose of this video, we are going to use this, which is modern apartment, the 100 USDT. So the next step is click on select this hub, and you have two options here. It's either we buy with the money from the back office, or we buy from that is it. Either the money from the back office here, or we buy using Theta USDT. And in buying this, we need to make choice and now select the one you want to use. For here, we are using buy with Theta USDT. So we are clicking on buy with Theta USDT, and this is where it takes us to. After I click on buy in Theta USDT, you come to this page, which it asks us to select the blockchain. select blockchain. This is select blockchain and create order. So once you select blockchain now, you can see from here who said that Ultron is not working. Ultron blockchain is a scam. See Ultron network having implemented in the Mavi website. Just as we have been using Tron network, for those of us who are anti-crypto, we have been using Binance network. Now we can use Ultron chain, Ultron network. No layer one blockchain that is an overnight business. Blockchain is not a scam business. Most people like to do business that will tell them come today and end tomorrow. At the end, they will, even the one that have end, they will still lose it. When something that will be there for like a year, 2 or 3, 4, 5 years that will pay us, we will not have that patience. So patience is a very great key to success. So you can see the Ultron blockchain is live. It's live. So here we are using Binance network because most people are used to Binance. So I'll not use Ultron now. I'll use Binance so that as I will do more videos on how to use Ultron blockchain, you can remember to subscribe and share if you are new. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching our videos and remain blessed. So subscribe for more on how Ultron blockchain and many other blockchain and wealth creation opportunities work. So now we are going to select the blockchain, which is BIP20. Important, you are sending Binance Smart Chain BIP20. If the payment will be made to the wrong destination address or by using the wrong network, it cannot be refunded. Double check the payment details before confirming the transaction. Most time we don't read terms and conditions. We don't read most of those things before we do any business. Later on, we'll start blaming the company instead of blaming ourselves, our own mistakes. So this is, I have some person must have sent crypto to a wrong network. Just like the way I selected this BIP20, if I go and send a wrong network, maybe from Tron now, instead of selecting for BIP20, who am I to blame? I have to blame myself first before blaming anybody. So now I understand and want to see the wallet address. Now tap on it and create order. Create order here. And this is it. The order has been created. This is the order value. This is the network. This is the address. So click on copy. The next thing, tap on this button to copy it. It's copied. So you minimize. Go to your wallet. For this one, I'm using Binance here. So basically, Binance is one of the leading exchange. If you want to register for Binance, you can check our comment section and get a link to register with Binance. So we are going to use Binance here. We're going to use Binance to send. So in Binance too, you go and click withdraw. Anywhere you're using, go and click withdraw. And that is it. Select the network. Remember we selected BIP20. So I'm selecting USDT. Then paste the address here. The address we have selected, we're gonna paste it here. Okay. Sorry. Okay. The phone is rebooting. Okay. So we'll come back to the Binance. Remember, we want to send it to Binance from Binance rather. From our, let me confirm the order and see whether the order is there already. See its network. So sorry for that. So this what you put the address, then select the network. Network is the same BIP20 we have selected before. Then the amount of USDT we are sending. When you are sending, beware of the network fee. You can see here the network fee is 0.29 USDT. So I remember we are sending, the staking up, the hub you are buying, that is the payment hub, is 100 USDT. So I'm going to add the fee, which is 0.29. After you put the 100 or the in amount of staking hub you want to buy, now add the 0.29, which is the network fee, which shows that $100 is what is going there. So the next thing is tap on withdraw and confirm your withdrawal. Basically, once the withdrawal is confirmed, you will paste, I'm pasting the authenticator to verify that I'm the one making the transaction, which is important. You need to put all the security in your account. So automatically it is gone, withdrawal processing. So let's go back to our Mavi account, and here we are. So once you are there, you can now come back here and check the order. How do you check the order? Come to the same three lines, then tap on orders. So the order is waiting for payment. So basically, this is how to buy the staking hub or the payment hub or the gaming hubs. It's the same step. Just make a choice of anyone you want to pay for. This is a great project. That is what I would say. For those that will understand, you can force a horse to the water. We do not force him or her or it to drink the water. So if you need more on this, you can chat me at the comment section, and also check the description for more videos we have done on blockchain and Ultron blockchain and area view. Let's see. We have free projects that are there. You want to know more of free project, how to make money from blockchain, from cryptocurrency? Subscribe and share this video, comment, and let's continue moving to success. So thanks for watching. Okay, this is a quick one. Basically, now let's check and to see that the order has been completed. I want us to see how this is done. So now you can see it's showing paid. Before it was showing waiting for payment, now it's paid. So let's check it out now among the hubs. You can go to my hubs now and check it out. You can see here, this is it. It's showing payment hubs. Revenue share 200 RSP. And this 200 RSP, it means this share automatically is double. It will share double revenue. And this is for life. So guys, if you are joking with this opportunity, then it's your choice. But for me, I don't think I will joke with this. Seriously. So I even need to extend this so that we will see it. So thanks for your patience and for watching. And let's continue smiling. It's success.